Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to master Tinkercad from beginner to advanced. If you already know the basics and want to become faster and more efficient at creating 3D designs, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key features and best practices that will help you get the most out of Tinkercad. Let's get started. First, build a strong foundation by learning the basic tools. Practice adding shapes, resizing, rotating, moving, and aligning objects accurately. These simple skills are the building blocks of every successful 3D design. Next, learn how to combine shapes effectively. Use the **group ** tool to merge objects into a single model, and use the **hole ** feature to remove unwanted sections and create detailed cutouts. Mastering these two tools alone will dramatically improve the quality of your designs. As your projects become more complex, organize your workflow. Rename important designs, duplicate objects instead of recreating them, and use the **, align **, mirror **, and workplane ** tools to place objects with precision. These features can save a lot of time and help you create cleaner models. If you want to take your skills even further, explore *Codeblocks*. This feature lets you create 3D models using visual programming blocks, making it easy to generate patterns, repeated objects, and mathematically precise designs. Don't forget to check your model regularly by rotating the camera, zooming in, and inspecting every angle. This helps you find small mistakes before exporting your design. When your project is complete, export it as an STL, OBJ, or another supported format for 3D printing or use in other applications. The best way to master Tinkercad is through consistent practice. Challenge yourself by recreating everyday objects, designing simple gadgets, or following community tutorials. Each new project will teach you something valuable and improve your confidence. Finally, keep your browser updated, use a stable internet connection, and take advantage of Tinkercad's automatic cloud saving so your work is always protected. And that's how to master Tinkercad.